Hello guys, welcome back to Elzate Overseas Education, and in this video we are going to talk about the 5 most popular part-time jobs in Italy. On number 5th comes the university jobs. Some of the universities provide jobs in the campus itself, and the main responsibilities of these jobs are to help the international students with their enrollment and registration process and to help their other queries as well. Universities pays a reasonable amount for these jobs, and that's the reason why it is on number 5th. On number 4th comes the caretaker or babysitting jobs. In Italy, you can do these kind of jobs either on hourly basis or on monthly wages basis. The good thing about doing this job on a monthly basis is that you can ask for food and accommodation on behalf of your salary that you will get. It totally depends on your negotiation skills. You can earn around 4 euros to 8 euros per hour by doing these caretaking jobs. On number 3rd comes the English teaching jobs. Although Italian loves to speak their main language, still parents want their children to speak English as well. So if you are good at English, you can use this skill to earn a good money in Italy. English teaching jobs can help you earn 5 euros to 12 euros per hour depending on your English proficiency. The second most popular part-time job in Italy is food delivery jobs. You just need a valid international driving license and you can work with food chains like Uber Eats, Zomato, Deliveroo, Glovo and many more, and can earn around 20 euros to 30 euros per day. The only limitation to this job is it won't get you paid a fixed income, as it depends on the orders you get to deliver. You can easily get these jobs in the major cities of Italy like Rome, Milan, Naples, Turin, etc. On number 1 comes the restaurant jobs. Here you can work as a waiter or a chef's assistant. You can also work with Indian restaurants where you can earn around 5 euros per hour. But as I said earlier, if you can understand and speak basic Italian language, then you get an advantage and opportunity to work with Italian restaurants where you can earn around 8 euros per hour. So these are the 5 most popular part-time jobs in Italy. अब क्वेश्चन ये आता है कि how to find these jobs. For restaurant jobs, you can walk directly into the restaurants with a good CV and meet directly to the owner or the manager of the restaurant. For other jobs, you can find them online on the websites like Glassdoor, Indeed, Sobito.com, etc. Also, make sure you make a contract with your employer before you start working. I hope you like the video. Please share and subscribe to the channel for similar updates on overseas education. Applications are now open for September 2022 intake. For detailed counseling on education in Italy with guaranteed 100% scholarship by our certified experienced counselors, you can call us on 9770 915 100. Thank you.